Hey everyone, if you're getting an unsupported format error in HandBrake, like your video won't open or you see a format not supported message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake unsupported format errors easily. First, check your file format. HandBrake works best with formats like MP4, MKV, and MOV, so unsupported file types may not load properly. Next, try converting your file using another tool before importing. This helps change unsupported formats into MP4 or MKV, so HandBrake can read them easily. Make sure you're using the latest version of HandBrake. Older versions often don't support newer codecs or updated video formats. You may also need to install missing codecs on your system. Without proper codec support, some files will fail to open in HandBrake. Try renaming your video file or moving it to a simple location like the desktop. Special characters in file names or deep folder paths can sometimes cause import issues. Run HandBrake as administrator. This helps avoid permission problems that can block file access or format detection. And finally, reinstall HandBrake if nothing works. Corrupted installation files can break format recognition completely. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake unsupported format error. Follow each step carefully, and your videos should open and convert without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Photopea in 2026. Yeah, from basic edits to a more polished look,